we believe that there are 4 key components of you getting your message out there in the world. And from what I understand, from what I've just heard, that people are going through transition right now. Whether it's transitioning to, okay, going from the one-to-one to now one-to-many and about to do something that's quite big and significant. Whether it's you're transitioning from where you've been to where you want to be, whether it's transitioning from what Craig was saying earlier on, the one-to-one or the one-to-many, or whether you're transitioning to now really look at this whole nother level of communication in an interview or maybe in my business. And I believe that this whole transition, actually there's a friend of mine and he wrote this book, and the book here is called Halftime. It's by a guy by the name of Bob Buford. Write this down. This book here completely changed my life. Bob Buford, B-U-F-O-R-T. And his story goes a little something like this. He was a very successful business tycoon over there in the States. And his entire life he chased success. And what the world teaches success, you know, fatter wallet, nicer car, third boat. But then this guy, Bob Buford, he had what he likes to call this half-time in his life. And his half-time was this. He had this one and only son. And his son really wanted to spend time with his dad, but his dad was saying, look, I'm so busy out here, I'll see you every few months. On his son's 18th birthday, he asked his dad to come, look, I'm really sorry, I've got this really important business meeting, I'll see you in a few days. Obviously, his son was devastated. On his son's 18th birthday, his son went rock climbing. Tripped, fell, died. So obviously this guy, Bob Buford, he put himself in this massive big crisis. So he had what he likes to call a half-time in his life. You know when we're watching a sports team or on TV, or if let's say we're in a sports team, and in the half-time mark, what happens? We evaluate how the first half went to obviously then dictate how this next half is going to be. So right there, this guy, Bob Buford, he had this half-time in his life where he shifted his focus from chasing success to start chasing significance. And you know what the true meaning of significance is? This: adding value to people's lives. Now, I believe that we're all here today because we want to add value to people's lives. And maybe we are going through this half-time in our life right now, which means we're evaluating how the first half went. Yes, we've had some failures. Yes, we've had some great successes. But we're evaluating where we are at right now, and now we want to operate on mission, on purpose. We want to now, making sure that we have commercial viability where we're heading. We want to make sure that everything we do now is on purpose.